Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey, and if you are new here, I make videos related to makeup, skincare, fashion, beauty, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started with. So guys, I always get compliment on my skin that how my skin is so good looking, and I should say that how I don't have any blemishes and how I take care of my skin. So I'm just going to tell you that what are the things which I use on a regular basis so that my skin becomes this glowy. And for your information, I'm not wearing any makeup. I know मुझे नीचे बहुत comments आएंगे that you are wearing makeup blah blah blah, but no, I'm not wearing any makeup. बस आई एम वेयरिंग अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ ग्लॉस एंड थोड़े बहुत मैंने आईब्रो फिल किया है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई एम नॉट वेयरिंग एनी मेकअप इन दिस वीडियो बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड यू गाइज टू नो दैट हाउ you can take care of your skin. So that is the purpose of this video. So from the title you know that today I am going to introduce this brand. I think you all know about it, that is Dot and Key. So I did share in my stories in Instagram जब मुझे ये products receive हुए थे, and many of you showed interest in these products. तो मैंने इन products को at least 14 days तक try किया है, and when I was trying out these products I wasn't using anything. So that means I was using all of these products in the morning as well as night. So yeah, that's how I like to test my product. तो जब मैं ये products test कर रही थी, मैंने कोई और brand के product नहीं test किए. So as to give you my honest opinion. So right, so let's get started. Let's see what all products I have. The very first product which I have is their Dot and Key. This is their niacinamide serum. So this is their ultimate spot corrector 10% niacinamide skin clearing serum, and this is how the packaging is. And if you know, they do have 1% of zinc actives with vitamin E and B5 and glow boosting formula. So this is what they claim here. This is a 30 ml of product, and this retails for 1095, but you do get a lot of discount, and right now also you get so many discounts on these products. So this product is 100% safe and dermat tested also, and because it has 10% of niacinamide. So first let me tell you what is niacinamide. So niacinamide helps in building our skin barrier. So skin barrier क्या होता है? Because of our exposure in sun, in pollution, and using chemical on our skin becomes little dull. So niacinamide helps in strengthening our skin's barrier. That means that fighting the signs of aging, fighting the like if you are having any a pimple mark, so this helps in fading that away. And what I noticed, because my skin is prone to redness and I always get red around here, so niacinamide helps my skin to pacify itself, and it also takes care of the redness. And if you are someone who is having very sensitive skin, so niacinamide is a boon for you, because it just works pretty nicely. आपका जो स्किन का बैरियर होता है इसको ये स्ट्रेंथन कर देता है, एंड ऑल्सो जो आपको रेडनेस की प्रॉब्लम होती है वो नहीं होगी आपको. दैट आई कैन अश्योर यू. सो नाउ गाइज, दिस इज व्हाट द एक्चुअल पैकेजिंग लुक्स लाइक. सो दिस डू कम इन अ bottle like so, which looks pretty nice, pretty good. And if you know, it does have this dropper kind of thing, pipette kind of thing, which is very convenient to use. One more thing, do not apply directly from the bottle, but I have been applying it for just to show you guys that how fancy it can look, but do take it on your hand and then apply it. So this is the first product, that is niacinamide skin clearing serum. Now let's talk about the texture of this serum. So first of all, I like to take out the product in my hand like so. And just to give you an idea, this is just like water, and it does not have any color to it. Like I cannot notice any color, and you can see it does not have any color. It's quite clear, and the texture of it is quite runny. It's not very heavy. So when you apply it, this is a boon for oily skin people, because we people have a lot of sweat. If you can see, I am still having a little bit of oil and sweat over here, although I'm not wearing anything, but still I'm having it. So it helps in controlling your sebum. It is a little bit tacky, I will say that, but once you leave it for 5 minutes, so whenever you are applying this, make sure to leave this thing for 5 minutes at least on your skin. उसके बाद ही आप दूसरा प्रोडक्ट लगाएंगे. अदरवाइज अगर आपने इसको लगाया एंड तुरंत आपने दूसरा प्रोडक्ट लगा लिया, तो आपने टाइम नहीं दिया इस प्रोडक्ट को अपने स्किन में सीप इन होने के लिए. So yeah, if I have to tell you my honest experience, I really loved it. So it does have licorice and sunflower seed oil as well. So licorice is known for, you know, fading out your spots. If you have any blemish, it will just do the magic for you. So नया, so इसको यूज़ करने के बाद मैंने देखा ज़रूर that मेरा जो redness है वो कम हो गया है, and even a little bit of darkness around my mouth has been taken care of. So अभी मैंने यूज़ किया है इसको 2 weeks, तो मुझे ये for that matter ठीक लगा है. You can see that I have used this till here, क्योंकि बहुत ही पानी जैसा है, ज़्यादा आपको चाहिए नहीं होता. So very very good for your skin. So this was the first product. Moving ahead, I have the second product, which is Dot & Key Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. This is their water drench hydrating hyaluronic serum concentrate, and इसके अंदर acai berry and Bulgarian rose extracts हैं, and this does have vitamin C also, and you have to use this twice daily, and it does not have any nasty chemicals. So these products are free from any parabens, any sulfates or chemicals. Harsh chemicals बिल्कुल नहीं है. And it is 30 ml of product for 975 rupees and 3 years of shelf life, and this is again 100% safe and dermat tested. So the key ingredients of this particular serum is hyaluronic acid, water. So the very first ingredient is hyaluronic acid, which is ye, because it's, you know, it's very very mandatory for brands to keep hyaluronic acid, and बहुत जरूर. So guys, this does have hyaluronic acid and it does have a little bit of vitamin C as well. So let me talk about hyaluronic acid first. So hyaluronic acid works like humectant. Humectant क्या होता है? एक ऐसी चीज़ जिसको आप लगाओगे तो आपका मॉइस्चर वो रिटेन कर लेगा, लॉक कर देगा, एंड जो आपके एनवायरनमेंट में जो मॉइस्चर है वो भी आपको वापस देगा. If you're a dry skin person, hyaluronic acid is a boon for you. एंड इफ़ यू लिव ह्यूमिड कंडीशंस में तो और आपकी ऑयली स्किन है तो भी आप इसको लगा सकते हो, बट मेक श्योर यू यूज़ इट, यू नो, इन द मॉर्निंग. ज़्यादा गर्मी धूप के टाइम इसको मत यूज़ करो. आप सुबह सुबह अगर लगा लोगे, सो वंस इट सीप्स इनटू योर स्किन, उसके बाद तो यू नो योर स्किन विल फील सो फ्रेश एंड सुपर सुपर हाइड्रेटेड एज वेल. सो नाउ दिस इज व्हाट द सीरम लुक्स लाइक, एंड इफ़ यू कैन टेल मैंने इतना ऑलरेडी इसको यूज़ कर लिया है, ठीक है. एंड बहुत ही प्यारी सी एक ब्लू कलर की बॉटल में आती है ये, एंड क्योंकि इसमें विटामिन सी है, विटामिन सी इज अगेन सुपर सुपर हेल्पफुल इंग्रेडिएंट इफ़ यू आर हैविंग, यू नो, फ्री रेडिकल्स, उसको ये कम करता है, एंड रिंकल्स पे काम करता है. हाइलुरोनिक एसिड भी रिंकल्स पे काम करता है. इफ़ यू ऑलवेज थिंक दैट व्हाई योर स्किन इज नॉट लुकिंग एज प्लम्प एज समवन एल्सेस, दैट्स बिकॉज आपके स्किन में पानी की कमी है, एंड हाइलुरोनिक एसिड जो है उस कमी को पूरा करता है. योर स्किन डज गेट दैट, यू नो, ग्लो. इफ़ यू कैन सी, दिस इज द ग्लो जो ये प्रोवाइड करेगा आपको, एंड आपकी स्किन जो है काफ़ी प्लम्प फील करेगी, एंड रिंकल्स जो है आपकी स्किन पे जल्दी नहीं आएंगे. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट हाइलुरोनिक एसिड डज फॉर यू, एंड क्योंकि इसमें विटामिन सी भी है तो इट इज़ डुअल इफेक्टिव. So yeah, that is the thing. So first you need to apply niacinamide serum, then apply hyaluronic acid serum. Now again, give 5 minutes to seep into your skin. Very important step. तुरंत आपको rush नहीं करना अपना क्रीम लगाने को. And definitely if you ask about my experience, it did work on my skin, where I'll say that whenever I am under the AC, my skin does feel a little bit थोड़ा सा खिंचता है मेरा स्किन. इफ़ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड, ऑल्दो आई हैव ऑयली स्किन, यू कैन सी आई एम स्टिल हैविंग लिटिल बिट ऑफ स्वेट एंड ऑयल फ्रॉम हियर, बट माई स्किन बिकम्स वेरी हाइड्रेटेड अगर मैं इसको लगा के एसी के नीचे बैठती हूँ. सो इफ समवन हु इज़ हैविंग ड्राई स्किन, और अगर आपको एसी में बहुत देर तक बैठना है तो आप डेफिनेटली इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. इवन रात को भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट्स रियली रियली अमेजिंग. इट जस्ट गोइंग टू गिव योर स्किन दैट प्लम्प इफेक्ट. सो आई डेफिनेटली लाइक इट, एंड इट डज हैव अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ फ्रेग्रेंस. दोनों में ही थोड़ा बहुत फ्रेग्रेंस है. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द टेक्सचर, दिस इज अ लिटिल बिट थिकर देन दैट वन. तो ये थोड़ा सा थिक है, एज यू कैन सी हियर. तो थोड़ा बहुत थिक है, बट बहुत ज़्यादा थिक भी नहीं है. सो इट जस्ट गेट्स into your skin. You can see this provides this glow, this amazing glow, and makes your skin look super duper hydrated. After this, I have their last product, which is their Dot & Key 72-hour hydrating gel probiotics plus probiotics, and this has kombucha and fermented rice water, oil-free formula, and it has healthy microbiome, and it does have hyaluronic acid infused formula. So this is 40 ml of product, and it retails for 745 rupees, and it has again 3 years of shelf life. That's how this looks like. This is the outer packaging. I really love it. It's just very, very cute, I will say. Now this is formulated with pre and probiotics. So probiotics definitely help your skin to become dewy, and it also helps your skin become very, very plump, and it also gives a healthier glow on your face. So you know, it keeps your face, as they claim, dewy and hydrated for 72 hours. Now I don't know about 72 hours, but definitely this has to be one of my favorite products in तीनों में से. I immediately loved this product, and when I was using this product on one of my friends, she asked me which product I am using. Now talking about the inner packaging, this comes in a very, very cute and sleek packaging like so. It is heavy, by the way. This is glass packaging. I would say this is not very sleek, but it's very, very cute. And that's how the cream comes here. And here you do have a separator. And if you can see the formula of the cream, it's gel, okay? It is gel. And when you apply this over your hyaluronic acid serum, this is how this looks like. And this is definitely more hydrating than the hyaluronic serum. That's what I feel. And this does give a really nice radiant to your skin, and again does have a little fragrance, I would say. So I love this cream. I mean, if you have extra dry skin, this is your jam, girl. You must try this out at least once, because I love this supremely. When you are using these things, first you have to use the niacinamide serum, and then you have to use the hyaluronic acid serum, and then please use this one. This is the gel creme, I would say. This is probiotics hydrating gel. So after using all of this, make sure you are using a sunscreen. Please do not step out or even stay at home विदाउट अ सनस्क्रीन, बिकॉज देन इन सबका जो यूज़ है वो फिर अगर आप सनस्क्रीन नहीं लगाओगे, बिकॉज वाइटामिन सी इज़ अ पोटेंट आई वुड से एक्टिव, तो प्लीज़ आपको लगाना है. एंड नायासिनामाइड भी है, तो यू नीड टू अप्लाई a good layer of sunscreen. So yeah, that was about it. I feel that I really had a nice experience, and niacinamide ने मेरे face का जो redness है उसको कम किया, उसको काम किया, because I don't get pimples that much. थोड़ा बहुत मेरे को इधर pigmentation है, तो definitely the niacinamide acid took care of everything. I'm still using it, and so far I am really liking it. Talking about the hyaluronic acid serum and the gel, probiotic gel, definitely I have a nice experience with them also. So I would definitely recommend, कितनी बार definitely बोल दिया मैंने, I would definitely recommend all these products. So make sure you check my description box, and yeah, if you have any problem, any issue, shoot down in the comment section, ठीक है? Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you guys want. And I'm really liking the chill vibe of this video, ठीक है? No makeup, nothing. I am literally loving the vibe. So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and I love you guys a lot. Okay, bye.